The video is designed to determine the DPI value for a mouse in Windows 10 or 11. First, we need to disable mouse acceleration. To do this, click on the search bar and type mouse settings. Click, then go to Education Mouse option. Let's move to the Pointer Options category. Uncheck the box next to improve pointer precision and save. Close this window and go to the browser. In the search bar, write DPI Analyzer. Go to the website mousesensitivity.com. Scroll down the page and enter 1 in the distance to target field. Move your mouse 1 inch on the mouse pad to get the DPI value. My average DPI value is 400. I hope my video helped you. Like it if the video was useful. See you soon.